Hello, how are you? Next, I will show you how to start a simple HTML document or how to develop a simple web page by using HTML in Dreamweaver. When you open your Dreamweaver, simply this is the default interface of or simply default code in your HTML document. You can remove this one and you can start from the scratch. For example, let me show you the default structure or the structure of HTML page. For example, it starts from HTML and ends with HTML. This is opening tag and this is a closing tag. Each tags must be closed with their own closing tags. This is the title page. The title page must be put between the head and the closing tag of head, and all visible part of your HTML document have been put in your body part. So how to start your first HTML page? First, HTML, then HTML, head, head. So the title must be put here. Title. You can give your title. For example, my title name is my first web page. Then next, the visible part or body part will be start from this one. At the end, you have to close the start tag. So how to add paragraph, heading, image file in your HTML document? So there are it has their own syntax to add each visible content in the body. For example, if you need to add heading 1, uh, computer science, can close this one, and if you need another heading 2, your university name, for example, Samara University. Even you can add paragraph, welcome to web page development. Then, as I told you before in the introduction part, you can view the design part or the visible part in your design part. This is the first heading, and this is the second heading or heading 2, and this is the paragraph which is visible in your HTML document. After that, you have to save in your file, your HTML document, by using their own file extension. The file extension of HTML document is .html. This is the title of your HTML page, which is visible in your browser tab part. So first you have to save this the file by your file name. For example, your you can give your example one. Sorry, it have similar name. My website .html. So the file extension of this HTML document is .html. You can save within different file extension like HTML, SHTML, HTML, HTML. It has similar concepts. Finally, you can save this one. Let me run it. This is your web page. So when we install this file, the output or simply the file which is visible in your web browser is like this. So next, how to add horizontal rule, how to add line break between each content which is visible in your web browser. For example, you can add a line break uh, like this. Even you can add line break between heading to paragraph. You can add paragraph. Even if you need to add horizontal rule, uh, a line between summary versus your heading to paragraph, you can add horizontal rule. But like other tag, this break and horizontal rule have no closing tags, so you can display here. There is a space between this content or heading 1 to heading 2. There is a line break between heading 2 and paragraph. So you can first you can check in your web browser. Before that, you have to save your file. Then when we refresh the file, there is a line break here. It is simply displayed in the form of this format. Next, you can add also a different paragraph within different style in your HTML document. How to add HTML document, how to give different styles for each tag. For example, if you need to make your paragraph bold, you can give this one. You can give bold this paragraph at the end. Sorry, bold at the end. You have to close the tag, bold tag. So this is already bold style paragraph is here. So you can add this paragraph also italic. To make italic, you can use this tag. At the end, you have to close this italic tag. So this is italic, and bold contents have been displayed. So in order to visible your or in order to view your document in your web browser, simply you can refresh this one. This is bold and italic paragraph is here. So you can you can add also different attribute and value for each tag. For example, if you need to add attributes for body or simply background of your web page, you can space this one. So you can give a bg color or bg color, as you can select by yourself. For example, if you need to make it your background color like this, simply this one is a value, and this bg color is an attribute of your uh, body tag. And also uh, let me check it in your web browser. First, you have to save your file. So when we refresh this one, simply the background color or bg color of your body is changed into this color. And you can give color for heading 2 or heading 1. For example, heading 1 background color, or simply you can give alignment or position for the heading 1. Align is equal to center. If you select this alignment attribute for heading 1, and this is value or the position where we can put this heading or this computer science contents in your web browser. So you have to see it first and refresh your web browser. Then you can see. So computer science or heading 1 have been put in the center part. So you can give also different styles for each visible part. If you need to make move your heading to in your web browser, you can use marquee tag, marquee. Then here you can close this marquee tag, then save the file. After that, you can refresh this one. So your heading to or this content, some university content have been moved in your browser. So you can give different attributes for this tag. So you can give behavior means alternatively it can move from one side to another side. And you can give the amount or the speed of your web browser. You can give or you can increase the speed like this. So it is marquee tag can be available in your web browser. So this is all about this content. Thank you for attending.